Hi guys, let's get into it. We got Nelly Furtado with I'm Like a Bird. Let's check it out.
You're beautiful, that's for sure. You'll never, ever fade. You're lovely, but it's not for sure. I won't ever change. And though my love is great, and though my love is true, I'm like a bird, I only fly away. I don't know where my soul is, I don't know where my home is. And baby, all I need for you to know is I'm like a bird, I'll only fly away. I don't know where my soul is, I don't know where my home is. And I need for you to know is your faith in me brings me to tears. Even after all these years, and it pains me so much to tell that you don't know me that way, and though my love is great, and though my love is true, I'm like a bird, I'll only fly away. I don't know where my soul is, I don't know where my home is. And baby, all I need for you to know is I'm like a bird, I'll only fly away. I don't know where my soul is, I don't know where my home is. And baby, all I need for you to know is not that I wanna say goodbye, it's just that every time you try to tell me that you love me, each and every single day, I know I'm gonna have to eventually give you, and though my love is red, and though my love is true, I'm just scared that we may fall through. I'm like a bird, I don't know where my soul is, I don't know where my home is. And baby, all I need for you to know is I'm like a bird, I'll only fly away. I don't know where my soul is, I don't know where my home is. And baby, all I need for you to know is I'm like a bird, I only fly away. I don't know where my soul is, I don't know where my home is. And baby, all I need for you to know is I'm like a bird, I only fly away. I don't know where my soul is, I don't know where my home is. And baby, all I need for you to know is I'm like a bird, I'll only fly away. I don't know where my soul is, I don't know where my home is. And baby, all I need for you to know is I'm like a bird, I'll only fly away. I don't know where my soul is, I don't know where my home is. And baby, all I need for you.
Wow. That song still gets me every single time I hear it. Like, oh, my childhood. Bring back that good music. Oh, I love it. I guess when you get fed up with, how people treat you, all you gotta do is walk away. Or like in her case, like a bird and fly away. But I love it. Love me some Nelly Furtado. It doesn't get no better than that. So, with that being said, give me a like, comment down below, some more suggestions, and I'll see you at the next one. Peace.